fix Wi-Fi not turning on problem in Android. So if your Wi-Fi is not turning on your Android device, what are the things that you could do? Now, in order to fix these, what you normally have to do is you just have to go ahead and then first of all, try to turn on flight mode on your device. So try to turn on flight mode and turn it off again and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. Now, if Wi-Fi is not working, try to see if your mobile data option is there, because Wi-Fi should turn on even if your Wi-Fi is not working. The option should be available and you should be able to see a list of other networks. If you're not being able to do so, there are a couple of things we can do. Go to your settings and simply go to general management or about, depending upon whatever your phone offers. Once you're there, just scroll down and go to reset. Now we will not erase our device, don't worry, but we will go to reset all settings. Normally when we reset all settings, anything that got messed up during the last process, you'll be able to restore all of them by just tapping the reset all settings button. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then fix if your Wi-Fi is not turning on Android. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.